The upcoming flagship from OnePlus has been making waves with a series of leaks and official teasers, giving us a good idea of what to expect from this highly anticipated smartphone. One of the earliest leaks came from Weibo, where real-life images of the device surfaced. These images closely align with earlier leaked renders and the official teaser from OnePlus, revealing some noticeable changes in the design. The leaked images also reveal multiple color options, including black, white, and a striking dark blue variant with a contrasting white camera module. These color choices, combined with the sleek design, signal that OnePlus is focusing on aesthetics as much as it is on performance. In terms of display, Gizmo China suggests that the phone will sport a 6.8-inch BOE X2 LTPO AMOLED display. According to sources, this display will be capable of reaching a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in harsh sunlight. Additionally, it will offer 1,600 nits in high brightness mode, which is perfect for providing sharp, vivid images and reducing strain on the eyes when used in normal conditions. A significant leak concerning the battery and charging features comes from the same source. The device is expected to come with a 6,000 mAh battery, which is larger than its predecessors and should provide exceptional battery life. Fast charging capabilities are also a highlight, with the phone rumored to support 100-watt fast charging. In addition, it will feature 50 watts of magnetic wireless charging, which is faster than the wireless charging solutions offered by many competitors. On the performance side, 91 Mobiles indicate that the phone will feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or 8 Elite processor, making it one of the first devices to use this new chipset. While no official benchmark results have been confirmed, speculation suggests that this processor could outperform Apple's A18 Pro, which powers the iPhone 16 Pro. If true, this would place the upcoming model among the most powerful smartphones on the market. These insights give us a glimpse of the raw power under the hood, ensuring smooth performance, especially for gaming and heavy multitasking. It is also expected to come with a 32-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel triple camera unit on the back. Other features such as Color OS 15 based on Android 15 with IP69 water and dust resistance rating. One of the most notable upgrades in the new model, as reported by Gizmo China, is the switch to an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. While OnePlus has yet to confirm an official release date, the teaser on Weibo that reads "See you next week" suggests that the phone could launch on 31st October, as reported by 91 Mobiles. Pricing could range from $900 to $1,100, depending on the model and configuration. OnePlus said that it will reveal more details on October 23rd, before the official announcement next week. Do you think this new device will be able to compete with other flagship phones, like the iPhone 16 Pro or Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and release announcements.